I've been with Perfect Choice for just over 6 years. I'm a window designer, so I'm in sales, so I am out on the road every day visiting customers and showing them the products. I like selling the Residence Collection because I love the product. You've got all of the benefits of a PVCU window, energy efficiency, the look, but it's all down to the butted up joints, the nearest thing to a wooden window you can find. It's really hard to say which is my favourite out of the Residence Collection because I love all of them for different reasons. The R7, you have the flush finish on the outside, which is the look that everybody wants. It's the classic look. But on the R7 you have 3 different beading types on the inside. It is a flush finish on the inside, as you can see from this R7, but you can have the square finish, which gives it the aluminium look. You can have the decorative finish, which is the classic look, and then you've got the stealth finish. So that's your 3 finishes on the R7, so they match in with whatever property you've got. The R9 is the larger, more traditional wooden window look. In the right property, you don't want anything else. It's perfect heritage. Then you've got the R squared, which is the Residence Collection's aluminium finish. It looks like an aluminium window front and back. You've got all of the energy efficiency of a PVCU window, where aluminium you don't. The benefits of the Residence Collection is it looks like a wooden window, but you have the energy efficiency of a PVCU window. So your U values on triple glazed are 0.79 on R7s, 0.72 on R9s. You have that's on triple glazed. Double glazed, your U value is 1.2. So that's your energy efficiency on them. So they're going to save you a lot of money, especially with the way that your energy bills are going up. But also maintenance free, because they look like a wooden window, but they're not. All you have to do is wipe them down with a cloth. The customer's reaction to the Residence Collection, they absolutely love the flush sash finish on the external. Obviously, depending on which range they're looking at, if they're looking for something very sleek and contemporary, the R7s or the R2s are the ideal window. If they're looking for something more traditional, then the R9s are for the heritage property. A lot of customers don't even know they want Residence Collection until I show them to them. So the Residence Collection as a whole is an investment. It is the higher end bespoke window. They are fitted in Grade 2 listed buildings, conservation areas. They are something different to your standard window. They are an investment on a period of time, but what you save from the windows, you're saving on your heating bills because of the U value and the energy efficiency on them, but they're also there forever. You won't be changing them again.